So the Cardinal Legacy in their Cardinal red, representing Stanford University and their great soccer program. And they start right away with a little bit of heat on Leggio FC. The Stanford program, of course, now kind of familiar in North Carolina because of Stanford's move to the ACC. This is a wonderful soccer tradition. Stanford winning 3 consecutive national championships in 2015, 16, and 17 under their current head coach, Jeremy Gunn. And this Cardinal Legacy team had a little bit of tough luck in that game against LCF Academy. They were up 2-1 at the end of regulation and then lost it, and the target score 3-2. So they've had a tough go of it yesterday, trying to get back a little bit here tonight, salvage a win, and see if that'll get them in to the knockout round of 32. All that, by the way, is going to be established tonight once the late games are complete. We know that 3 teams of the third place finishers are guaranteed a spot so far because of the math, and it's based on goals, team record, of course, and then goals scored, differential, etc. Little flurry here by Leggio, and a great save, and then the tap in opens the scoring. Number 12, Mohamed Bola, with the match's first goal.
Leggio FC.
And a blast by Alan Canosi. And that one is just a touch wide. They are putting the heat on, that's for sure. Very impressive getaway here for Leggio. And this one sails over the crossbar. The team name for Leggio comes from the idea of legion, a group that moves together with discipline, strength, unity, and purpose. And a lot of players on this roster have come from non-traditional pathways to get here and really taking advantage of the professional exposure that TST offers. And this guy, El Hachali, he has been an energy buddy. Find out what he had for an energy drink before the game. We need some. Hassan Mohasser, number 4, now to the wing. The captain puts one home. 2-0 Leggio. Mehdi Jalab with the goal. Down 2-0, trying to make something happen. Instead, it's a 2-on-V1 the other way, and an open net and an easy goal for Fofana, his 3rd of TST. Boy, the instant change of possession. Cardinal Legacy trying to get one into the box, and the shot goes wide. A rifle shot by Logan Pancho, but just off the mark. My Aura ring just went off, and it said it's approaching my bedtime. I'll have to deal with that at halftime. Nice lead pass. On the rebound. Good defense by Cardinal Legacy. Couple of quality attempts. 11. Canosi had that last one. Pim shot. Ooh, that nearly trickled in. Joshua Lemos was able to suffocate it. Cardinal Legacy trailing 3-0 as we get the second half underway, and for the first time, a little bit of pressure on Leggio FC. TST, the soccer tournament, 26 from Cary, North Carolina. A pleasure to have you with us. Hope you're enjoying the action. This is our late game. bullet from Jack Pym, but not close, not on goal. We'll have to call this the late night tales from Field 5. Leggio in the midfield trying to mount an attack here. They're sitting on a 3-0 lead. And here's an opportunity, and it hit the post. Mara Fofana. Opportunity in the box, and a big save. Rowan Schnebly has had a grand total of 5 saves coming in the first 2 games. Cardinal Legacy trying to punch one in, give themselves a chance. Turning, blocked by the defense, goes to the corner, and Gilby, and headed out of play. Six minutes to go, second half. Each team getting the subs in. And the header knocked down. Hilliard Arce right in front. And boy, this is... Got several Cardinal Legacy fans off to my right, hanging on the railing, and another header that goes toward the corner. Leggio is able to clear it out to midfield. Change here for Leggio. Very content. Ball control with a 3-0 advantage. Jalab drills one, blocked. Good save. Final seconds of the second half will set the target score apparently at 4. And this one's going to go in. It got over the head of the goalkeeper, and 4-0 Leggio. Trevor Islam, current Stanford player, fires one just outside the right post.
That's the end of the first 3 minutes.
And the first 3 minutes is in the books. So now one player each side comes off, and we go 6v6. We don't stop play. The teams required to take one man off the field. So 6v6 here. Leggio trying to get that 5th goal of the game and end it. Long way to go for Cardinal Legacy, of course. A very, very frustrating night. Of their 13 shots, only 4 of them have been on goal. So a real wrestling match. And we got a man ahead of the pack, and the goal is in for Mohamed Bola. The target score has been reached, and Leggio has the win 5-0 over Cardinal Legacy.